Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam POV, and the title of the video is Man Learns His Lesson After Getting Felony at Walmart. So let's get into the... Dang, I'm all up on the camera. Hold on, let me... All right, but anyway, let's get into it, man. Let's see what they're talking about here.
February 20th, 2023, officers were dispatched to the popular Walmart in Athens, Georgia. People really like shoplifting here. Loss prevention really has their hands full at this location. Today we have a 55-year-old man that's been caught 3 prior times shoplifting. Today is the day he gets his felony shoplifting award. This is how it went.
He's right there, run across my car.
The black guy? Stop! Police! Central, I got one running. Black male, short, black letter. She's running towards Hardee's. Alright, he's going out towards Lexington Road, right next to Hardy. Stop! Police! Black male, dinner pants, black hoodie. Why are you running? Who are you, dude?
No, man.
What's your name?
That's why I stopped, buddy.
What's your name?
Rodney.
Rodney what? Come on, let's go in here and talk about this. You
Yeah.
did run, so.
Yeah. I ain't going nowhere, man.
Alright.
I ain't going nowhere. That's why I stopped.
It's
man.
Rodney what?
3369 Central.
Center, I got him. Units can slow down. Not with Rodney. What's your date of birth, man?
67.
67.
Did you grab my phone?
Did you drop it?
You got dropped.
I'm sure they got it.
No. It's right out there in the parking lot.
Where at?
Right out here by this,
Alright, we'll get it.
I'm sorry.
Alright, that's fine, dude.
I'm sorry, man.
That's what it is.
Well,
Did you drive
should've-
here or did you walk here?
I walk.
You ever been
Well, I
arrested?
talked about
You been arrested for shoplifting before?
1037 on the page.
I have.
How many times? You got 3 convictions?
Got my phone right
Alright, we're good.
Yeah.
So you probably have the 3 convictions?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
This one's yours. Where you live, man?
Over by Cookout.
Clearly shoplifting ain't been working for y'all the other time, so why do you keep doing it? These are the questions that you got to ask yourself when you're doing these crimes and stuff. I mean, you tried it numerous amount of time and it's never worked out for you, okay? Maybe once or twice, maybe you got away, but you get caught probably more times than you actually get away with it. I don't even understand why you do it.
What's wrong?
Okay.
Central 3369.
Go ahead.
No one's saying the local Rodney.
So you're running criminal history.
You going?
Never.
Where you going?
I ain't gonna let you get hit. I got you. 69 Central. I probably just need one more to help me.
South 369, advise your location. I'm in the area.
I'm walking back across the parking lot. Just meet me at the office.
I'm back in radio range now. I'm 10-8 Stat 5 and Stat 9 to Madison County and GSP. Central.
I'm right here, man.
846 on the route.
Copy, thank you.
The what now?
With
We got a situation.
with a lady.
What do you mean?
Female.
You sure you didn't drive here?
No, I'm boss.
Oh, you got keys?
Yeah, I got keys.
The female from Florida, she'll be
Yeah, I
right
just
in,
want
man.
to. Okay. I just want to tell you something. Man.
It's fine. Look right here. Is she, hey. What's up?
No, that was me talking to him.
Thanks for running. It was like 100, so 128. Wasn't it near?
This wasn't the guy. This is one of the guy y'all
No, I walked up on him. That's why I was like, go, move, because I walked by and he
sorry. He's cooperative now. He's just doing her job.
I understand.
He's been fooling me. He stopped running.
When I turned to look for the other guy, I saw him bagging the stuff. That's why I told you back off.
I got you.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
How's it going?
Thank you.
That's how you do it. You let Franco run for you, then you show up.
It's usually the other way around.
You don't have an ID on you, do you?
No, I don't.
Give me the right name, right?
Rodney?
I'm just making sure if you don't have it on you. You've been arrested in Athens?
Yeah. Back in 99.
What's your information for, dude?
It's 8 and his 10, so 9.
I got a
945,
step I'm over here.
Negative. You can continue.
Who's the probation officer? Tell you what, you stopped when I said police, so I'm not gonna charge you with obstruction. I'm gonna charge you with shoplifting. And he stopped. He was gonna run, but I said stop police, and he stopped.
You see lights and sirens or just sirens?
I can't. It sounded like I thought I saw a blue light.
I haven't heard anything.
Can you read around?
Emily, you wanna go ahead and tell him you're gonna bar him for 2 years?
Yeah.
You can just tell
So
him.
you're going to be barred for 2 years. That's this whole parking lot. So Hardy's all the way to the wing factory. 2 years. We don't want to see you back.
So you can't come back into this building or any of this because Walmart owns it all. You understand? For 2 years.
If you want, you can go ahead and switch out cuffs and make him for felony. He says.
Walmart got big dollars, you hear me? Walmart got big dollars, man. They own all of that and they just lease it out. That's a fact. They own all of that. What? Oh, yeah. What? Another store wanna come up in here? Yeah, we need a piece of that, man.
3 convictions. I'm gonna confirm it.
Okay.
But
He called it. He's supposed to come up.
I mean, I'm still gonna confirm before I.
Yeah.
But you can give him a route down there. He's going regardless.
Don't forget that on Monday. So, yeah, he'll be in.
I appreciate you not making me run anymore.
He'll be out in just a second.
Good.
Is he done?
I can play him.
I'm gonna put your glasses in your pocket. Okay. Alright, you
If you wouldn't have dropped your phone, you would have think you would have stopped.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely,
Hey,
man.
that's why I'm not.
Because I was just gonna tell you, man, thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
It is what it
Really.
is.
You know,
All right, I'll get the ER done.
Okay.
it's a bad situation, but
Yep.
thank you.
Step out to your right. You got any knives or weapons or anything on you? Anything sharp or sticky? Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I appreciate you. I mean, really, man. I already see I'm heading down the wrong road. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Out here doing this. So,
How old are you,
it
man?
was 55, man. Still
Oh yeah, you way too old to be doing this.
Yeah, man. Hey, man, I know this damn just running, man.
You got a car here?
No, my car at your house.
Okay.
It ain't running.
Okay, okay.
You know, I just
didn't
keep my
want.
keys with me because
Yeah. House key on
my
it?
house key on there and everything.
It's got 2 pockets in it.
No, there it is.
What's this hard stuff in the corner?
Oh,
Yeah.
no, check it out.
That's what I'm trying to do. With a chain? Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Glasses. Cigarettes.
Think you let me smoke one of them before you put them in the coat?
Probably not, man. They'll get you sorted out quick enough, but you good. Stay where you are. I'll move around you. You do have an ID.
That's not my ID. I found that little kid ID walking this way.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's not me right there.
Okay. Yeah, that looks a little young to be you.
Yeah.
Where'd you find it at?
Well, not walking this way. I was coming from the house.
Okay.
You know, getting on the bus.
Okay.
Coming from West Broad.
West Broad.
Yeah.
Okay. Just like at the bus stop or something?
Yeah.
One pair of pants,
2 shirts.
2 shirts.
Well, 2 pair of pants, a pair of shorts. Well, a pair of drawers, underwear.
You not hot and all that?
No, man, you know, I dress for the, you know what I'm saying, for the weather.
I got you.
Because later on, if I do decide to stay out.
Yeah. You got a place to stay? You homeless?
No, I got somewhere to stay.
Okay. If you face me and sit straight back, it'll be easiest. You keep your feet on the seat because there's not a lot of room. And just kick straight back, and like I said, keep your feet this way if you need to. You ain't got to try to turn that way or anything like that. Keep this leg up if you want to.
All right. No, I'm good right here.
All right. That was in his pocket. Said he found it at the bus stop.
Right there. That's clearly not. No.
Yeah, it's clearly not him.
Thanks.
Yeah. The suspect was booked for felony theft by shoplifting.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.